Okay, here's a Friday night quickie. I got this tripod. It's broken. You can see how. Okay, I didn't see this damage until the video was playing back to me and I could see it better in a larger format. But it's cracked halfway through, and that'll be the next place that gives me trouble. Who knows, the third leg may be like that too. And when it breaks, I'll either fix it the same way, or I may decide to trash the whole thing. That leg is supposed to connect. Well, this one here, the bottom has broken off. But to fix it, I have drilled a couple of holes right there. And they're not perfectly centered up or anything. But the slider has enough clearance in it to allow me to put a couple miniature zip ties through there, snap the leg on, pull the zip ties through there, and tie them up. And I'm going to show you me doing that right now. Okay, so I'm going to use these little zip ties. Make sure you turn them through the right way. If you happen to do this, most people will just throw it away, but force it down in there and try to slide this, get the slide back over it. Oh, there it goes. Now, she said, do that to me one more time. Ooh, once is never enough. Bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your uncle. There. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is snapped back in there. You want to feed these. Watch this slow motion part a couple times and see if you can catch what I did. I'm going to feed these through here. And if you can see around the back side or not, I'm not sure. I think you can. Get it into the other part of that zip tie. I'll be damned, I think I crossed it up. No, it didn't. Yeah, it did. Oh well, it'll still work the same. Put the other one through. Wow, this is tedious. And my other light just shut off. Anyway, it goes up and down now. Opens up, and it just uses those for a hinge. So, we saved its life. It's useful to photo again another day. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was productive, useful. I hope somebody can use it.